Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Rahmadani Badarudin, student of the Faculty of Public Health, Haloluoyo University, Kendari. On this occasion, I will represent my group to present an article entitled "The Impact of Industrial Development on Ecological Change in the Environment." Before I present our group article, allow me to introduce my name's group of members. They are Hilda Kasrina, Nur Fajar, Yahdi Fitra Rida, Rina Agustina, and Ika Safitri. I will begin to explain this article from the background contained in this article, and then I will explain the method used when compiling this article, and finally I will explain the result and discussion in this article. Ecology is defined reciprocal relationship between living things and their environment. The number of industrial company development activity that occur today has caused the environmental balance to begin to change. Some of the problems arising include water pollution due to industrial waste, floods, landslide, spatial extension, reduced soil fertility, disturbed environmental balance, and ozone layer perforation. This is clearly visible with climate and weather change differently occur from their normal time. In Indonesia, activity related to industry still need attention from the government. The type of research used in this paper is literature review with library search and the process of searching article through Google Scholar and Academia Edu using full text journal article with unlimited years publication. As we have seen together, this is a result table journal of industry development impact analysis on ecological change in the environment. In this table, there are 4 research journals related to the impact of industrial development on ecological change. The results are the impact of industrial development on ecological change in the environment, such as ecological change that occurring in the sea can cause change to the availability of fishery product as the main capital of fishermen. It also can affect income of fishermen and lead to increasing costs in casing research. Besides, the loss of mangrove ecosystem will erode the available livelihood of the local fishermen. This is the result of research conducted by Bakhtiar in 2012 in Fishermen Adaptation to Social, Economy, and Ecological Change in Lamongan Regency. This is reinforced by research conducted by Rahayu Ningsi 2017, stating that the destruction of fishermen's livelihood source due to ecological change from the presence of the cement industry in Bayah led to the emergence of response and adaptation effort in dealing with the crisis. And ecological change on land such as expansion of oil palm plantation, which have resulted in change in forest land cover with an impact of ecological change in an area in the form of change in the temperature, flooding, loss of biodiversity, and environmental service. Conclusion in this paper: industrial development has both positive and negative impact on the environment. However, because the government and the owners of industrial development project pay less attention to the negative impact that will occur due to industrial development. This has caused ecological change in the environment, harming the people around the industrial development area. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. If there are any mistake, please forgive me. And wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.